Meaning of escape clause.
Escape clause.
Escape clause.
Escape clause.
Escape clause. An escape clause is a provision in a contract or agreement that allows one or both parties to avoid or modify their obligations under certain circumstances. For example, in a sales contract, an escape clause might allow the buyer to back out of the deal if the seller doesn't meet certain conditions, such as delivering the goods on time. Similarly, in a lease agreement, an escape clause might allow the tenant to terminate the lease early if the landlord fails to maintain the property adequately. Essentially, an escape clause provides a way out of a contractual obligation in specific situations.